The camp of Bong Revilla insists that the former senator will not return the more than 124 million pesos of civil liabilities to the National Treasury as ordered by the Sandigan Bayan when it acquitted Revilla of plundered charges in relation to the pork barrel scam. John Nano tells us why.
In December 2018, the Sandigan Bayan acquitted former Senator Ramon Bong Revilla Jr. of plunder over his involvement in the multi-billion pork barrel scam. Likewise, the anti-graft court ordered the former senator to return 1.24.5 million of civil liabilities to the National Treasury. According to Revilla's legal counsel, Attorney Rio D. Anthony Balisi, the dispositive portion of the Sandigan Bayan's decision was clear that only those found guilty were required to return the amount in Revilla's case. It should be Janet Lim Napoles and Revilla's former aide, Richard Cambe.
All those who are criminally liable are civilly liable. So with these qualifications in the dispositive portion of the decision of the Sandigan Bayan, you apply Article 100 based on the discussion above. Is Senator Bong criminally liable? He is not.
Revilla's wife, Bacoor City Mayor Lani Mercado, supports this argument and maintains that her husband has no obligation to return the said amount.
Siya naman po ay acquitted, so I don't think yun po ay that particular item doesn't apply to him. Wala po, according to our legal team, hindi po ganun po yung interpretation po ng marami sa nagsasabi.
The former senator meanwhile maintains that he did not steal anything from the people's money and that everything he has as a citizen he earned from years of being an actor prior to his entry to national politics.
Lahat po ng mayroon ako ay bunga ng aking dugo at pawis sa pag-aartista. Simula pa lamang na ako 10 taong gulang. Sa mga panahong karamihan ay natutulag pa. Ako po ay kumakayod na para kumita. At yan nga ang napatunayan ng hukuman na wala akong ninakaw ni sentimo mula sa taong bayan.
Despite the controversies hounding her husband, Mercado says she appreciates that Revilla remains among the top 10 senatorial candidates in current surveys. Based on the latest survey by the Social Weather Station, Revilla ranks 7th.
Well, ako po ay lubusang nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta at tumatangkilik sa kanya. Bagamat maraming mga naganap nung nakaraan, ang tiwala ng tao at pagmamahal ay nandyan pa rin. So maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na nagmamahal kay Senator Bong.
Since the former senator's acquittal, the Revilla family has been enjoying a normal life according to Mercado. Joan Nano, UNTV News and Rescue, Philippines.